Prithvi initiative, very important because recently the cabinet has granted approval for something called Prithvi Vignan, Prithvi Gnan initiative. Very important. It comes under your SNT paper and it is related to earth sciences. So therefore it is important. So what's this Prithvi initiative about? Cabinet granted approval. Integrated framework consolidates 5 ongoing sub schemes. This is very important. So, and a huge budget of approximately 5,000 crores has been granted between the period of 2021 to 26. So, therefore, since this news is there, this topic is a little important, useful for your prelims majorly. So, Ministry of Earth Sciences, they have managed various sub schemes. What are the schemes and what are the different areas where Ministry of Earth Sciences is regionally very involved? You have to understand this. So first is atmosphere and climate research, modeling observing systems, MOS. Then ocean services, modeling application resource and technology. Polar science and cryosphere research, seismology and geosciences, research, education, training and outreach. The new Prithvi initiative will provide what? Ministry with the flexibility to allocate funds and pursue research projects seamlessly across these domains. So with respect to your prelims, they will ask you what are the different schemes under which Prithvi is involved. So you have to remember this slide: atmosphere, ocean services, polar science, seismology, research, education. These 5 sub schemes are very important for your prelims. If you just remember them, they'll ask you which of the following are involved into the Prithvi initiative or the sub schemes. That is more than sufficient. Next. So what is this integrated earth system services? What happens is, initially earth sciences was all mixed. It was like a mixed pack. They were all horizontal fundamentally. So the applications were done, they were done on a horizontal mode. Now vertical, when they say vertical, it means they are creating a separate department for everything. So for atmosphere they want to do something, for seismology they want to do something, for polar science they want to do something, like that, so that independent research goes on in every direction. That is the idea behind it. And finally they'll integrate all of them, therefore this is called integrated approach. So what are the different verticals? Atmosphere, cryosphere, geosphere and oceanosphere. So these are all the different spheres under which it is very important. And then they're looking for cross-disciplinary projects, one sphere to the other sphere, and facilitating ease of research. So their objective is to facilitate research not like a multi-dimensional thing, but a unidimensional but multi-U dimensionals. So that is the whole point. Because of this, there will be enhancement, collaboration and coordination. Next, what are the objectives of Prithvi? Please remember, augmentation, that means adding and sustenance of long-term observations of atmosphere, ocean, cryosphere and solid earth. Modeling systems for understanding, predicting weather, ocean and climate hazards. And finally, exploration of polar and high seas, because this is for energy and global changes. So for these two things, it's very important. Knowledge and insights from the earth system sciences. So these are the major objectives of Prithvi. If you remember this for your mains, I think this should be sufficient. Next, what are the departments which are involved in this? One is meteorological department, National Center of Medium Range Weather. These are the major two. You have to remember these points. So ministry's fleet of oceanographic and coastal research vessels, and these vessels will provide research, will provide that base for doing that research in oceans as well as other difficult places where there is less access. And sub schemes and promoting cross-disciplinary, that is the aim of it. If you know these things, I think it should be more than sufficient for your answer. So earth sciences, basically, since the scheme of Prithvi Gnan has been initiated and a fund has been allocated, a small 1 or 2 prelims questions might be asked on this. Okay, thank you.